story time. Story time means today I tell you an interesting story. I hope you will enjoy it. Are you ready? Very good. One hot day, a thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot, very little water in it. Now, who can guess what happened next?
Crow blow the jug. Crow push the jug.
Let's see what happened next. He brought some stones and threw them in the pot to bring water level up. And the crow drank the water. He flew up happily. Now, who tells the moral of the story?
That everything is possible.
So, the moral